Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a collaborator onto your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my site's dashboard. If you're wondering how to get here, you can just click on this button right here that says all sites and then go to all sites. And then you will be redirected to this page right here. And once you're here, you just need to find a website that you want to add a collaborator with. So for example, I want to add a collaborator to this website. So I can just click on the three dots right here that says site actions, and then we can just click on add collaborators. Then we'll wait for the website to load. But for example, if you're already here on your Wix dashboard, what you can do is go to the home page as it usually is, and then you can just click on the three dots right here that says site actions as well, and then you can click on invite collaborators, and then you will be redirected up to the same page that we clicked on earlier. So once you're here, you can now invite some collaborators to work on your website. So for example, if you have these general roles, for example, you have the admin or the co-owner, we have the website manager, we have the website designer, you have the back office manager, you have the content writer. If you want to create a new role, you can just create a custom role right here. So for example, we want the role to be just a simple viewer that can only view website and nothing else. And then once you done that, what you can do is open up the permissions, and then since we just want a viewer, they cannot edit the content, they cannot, and this is the other, you can just view the site, and then you don't need to check all of the other options as well. But if you have a custom role, of course you'll just need to select all the options that you want the role to have. So for example, we're just happy with this one since we just have a viewer role, and then we can just click on save, and then the custom role viewer was created, and then we can now see that on here on our custom roles. For example, you want to invite someone, you can just enter their email up to this bar right here. So you can only invite 10 collaborators on your website. For example, I just want to have a collaborator, and then we can just add him. And then, for example, we want this collaborator to be an website designer. You can do so as well. And then once you're done, we can now click on send invite. And then you can just select someone right here if you want to. If you know who the collaborator is, you just need to click some option right here. So for example, I just click on someone else, then I click on done, and then now we have the roles and permissions that we have sent the collaborator with. So once you're here, you can invite more collaborators, you can manage their roles if you want, you can go back, and then for example, we have this collaborator that we have sent the invite. For example, we want to resend the invite, you can do so as well. We can get the invite link, we can change the role of this collaborator if you want to make it into a viewer only, and then we can click on save. But there seems to be a bug on the Wix Studio, so we'll just close it. And then if you want to remove the collaborator, we can just click on remove collaborator as well. And then that's it. I hope you learn how to manage your collaborator invites on your Wix Studio website. And thank you for watching this video.